Welcome to the lowest point on planet Earth. Is the Dead Sea worth the visit, or has it become too commercialized? Let's find out. We're starting our morning really quickly in Amman, just going to this one famous bakery called Salahaddin, and we're going to be trying their food, and then we're heading off to the Dead Sea. If you want to see the rest of Amman, check out the other video I'll have linked. That was honestly one of the coolest experiences ever. It was so much fun. You get this one bread, you pick it out for yourself, and then you put any toppings you want, so like cheese, falafel, eggs. You can also grab some tea, put however many mint leaves you want. Honestly, I would definitely recommend going here. So it was so cool. All right, let's give them a try. And definitely put some za'atar on it, because that's a really good spice. Falafel is good. It's a good way to start the morning. Great breakfast.
This is so good. The falafel is so flavorful. I love it.
So the first thing we're doing, we checked into the Dead Sea Spa Resort. There's a bunch of different options when heading to the Dead Sea. You can head to one of the free public beaches, but those aren't gonna have showers or mud. There's also Amman Public Beach, which is the most popular one. That one you have to pay a bit more for mud, and it costs 25 JD for a day pass there. And then there's also a bunch of different resorts. The one we stayed at is at the Dead Sea Spa Hotel, and this one's 20 JD, so it's cheaper for a day pass than the Amman Beach. And you also get access to the snack bar, the swimming pools there. There's some mud, showers, which is all the necessities. There's a couple other ones that are more expensive. You can check them out based on what you want. There's like some with probably better amenities and stuff. So just check those out, which one you would want to use the most. Gotta get a quick pump in before taking off the shirt. So one of the crazy things about the Dead Sea is that the water levels are going down almost about a meter every year. And you can see on the signs when you're walking in, it's like the Dead Sea was here in 2000, the Dead Sea was here in 2005. And all the signs kind of show where the Dead Sea water level was throughout the years. So I read online and it says the Dead Sea recedes about 1 meter every year, even though it looks like way more than that when you're actually here. And it says by 2050, that the whole Dead Sea will be gone. So if you're putting those travel plans off for the Dead Sea, don't put them off for much longer, because that's only 26 years away.
That is so cool. You're just up.
So basically how to have the whole proper Dead Sea experience, you start it off by soaking in the Dead Sea for about 10 to 15 minutes. And then after that, go rub the mud on yourself, all over your body, anywhere you want. You can put it on your face too. And just let it sit there for about 15 to 20 minutes. And after that, you can go into the Dead Sea to wash it all off, except your face. Don't put your face in the Dead Sea water. And after, if you want to wash off your face, there's a bunch of showers. Just get the rest of the mud off and just repeat. Now it's time for the next one, to put on the mud. Second step.
Big glove of these. This. You can feel the salt crystals in it, which is so cool. It does have a certain smell to it. Not all will enjoy. For the benefits, I will do it.
Looking like Justin Trudeau.
Never.
It actually really hurts when you're rubbing it in. And then for the face, you have to wash it in the showers. You can't get it into the Dead Sea. So it's called the Dead Sea because no aquatic life can live here. And it's basically just 35% salt in the water. And compare that to your average ocean, which is only 3%. So it's about 10 times saltier than an average ocean. Let's see if we can skip a rock on this. Like normal. That was crazy. And up on that hill right over there, you can actually see Jerusalem. All right, so we got here around about 9, and I would say you can get a good like 2 to 3 hours before people start coming in. And then we found that people start coming at 12. It is low season, so that might not be 100% accurate depending on the time you're going, but we basically had it to ourselves until then. The entry to this resort that we went to was 20 JD, and I'd honestly say it's worth it. You get the showers, and I've heard a lot of bad reviews about Amman Beach, which is the main public beach, and this is also cheaper, so I'd definitely recommend coming here instead of that beach. One thing we really wanted to do that we didn't have a chance to do is check out Wadi Al Mujib canyoning. It looks so cool. You just go through this canyon in water. Honestly, really cool. I would definitely recommend checking that out, but it was closed when we drove by, so pretty sad we didn't have a chance to do it. So just something to keep in mind is there's a lot of police checks when you're driving in Jordan, and they're pretty chill. All you need to do is just show them your license and then this thing that they give with the vehicle that kind of looks like a license, and they usually just let you go, or they'll stop you and they'll wave you off right away. But that's it. That's the end of our time in the Dead Sea. We're going to one of the 7 wonders of the world next, so stay tuned for that video. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you again in the next one.